Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. For this project, we need a long extension with a 13mm socket to disconnect the battery bracket itself. You gotta really make sure that that bolt is loosened up so you'll be able to reach down there with your hands and grab that bracket. Next step is to disconnect the negative terminal itself from the battery post. Then once you do that, proceed to the positive side and disconnect the battery post from the terminal itself as well. Okay, so once you get the terminals off the battery itself, you'll be able to lift the battery straight up out of the vehicle and to insert your new battery. And today we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery into this customer vehicle. And this is what you want to do is you want to insert the bracket itself flush back down into the center of the battery itself. Just turn your socket set clockwise until you tighten up that center battery bracket itself. Okay, next you want to connect is your positive terminal next, and use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that bolt. Then proceed to put on your negative, always known as the ground. Just make sure you tightened up the post really good on the positive and also to the negative itself. And this is how you install a battery in a 2016 Hyundai Sonata.